we'll be off today. I wonder. No, we're off to work. Oh. It is Monday morning and I've got to get into the city. Yeah, I thought I'd make Monday a little bit interesting. This is really a bit of a test of the I've got an Insta360 Pro now, which is the chin mount. I've had the X3 the 360 camera for a while, and I was quite impressed, to be honest. I really like the Insta stuff. You know, I like the app and I like the editing, and they're easy to use. They don't, well, this one's not gone wrong on me, but we'll see what the Ace Pro 2 is like. But I've got faith. I've got faith. I'm gonna go fucking round him, because you're taking forever. So yeah, got a bit of a dual camera thing going on. Not for like everyday rides, that'd be overkill, but like got a Scotland trip coming up at the start of May. Going up there with the wife, staying, basing ourselves near the Isle of Skye, and just pop around the northwest coast really. See some amazing sights and probably get rained on. Such is life. Just got to get used to the new camera. It doesn't seem hard at all. It just seems like every other acting camera. Press a button, starts recording. Job's a good one. I've got the mic adapter, so hopefully the other point of this test was, you know, see what my voice is like. Because I'm sure everyone can't get enough of my voice. But I hate having to stitch in like the audio afterwards. So if I can capture the, you know, the mic audio at the same time, that'd be a big help. It would be not the first trip I've been on with the wife, but definitely the longest. So the bike will be very, very full. That's part of the fun, isn't it? Packing is half the fun. If you ask anyone, they'll tell you I enjoy packing. Yeah, I love it. Love packing. So yeah, just got to get used to, like, you know, the proper camera angle for the Ace Pro 2. Make sure that's looking in the right place. Make sure the colour profile's all right. All that fancy stuff. There's so much stuff on this Ace Pro 2. It is unreal. Like, so many settings to tinker with, and it's so versatile. You know, at first glance, it's just, it'd be great for anyone. You know, rides, just filming, you know, landscapes, whatever you film. You know, it just seems like an amazing piece of kit, to be honest. Well more than what I need. But if you want the image quality, you've got to go for the big money, haven't you? The X3, the Insta360 there, it's good, but because it's a 360, if you start to try and, I guess, zoom in on some footage, or although it's 5K, it loses quite a bit of quality. So it wouldn't really be any good for in Scotland, you know, oh, look at that view, and, you know, get a still image of it. I don't think it'd be very good for that. But that's going to be the Ace Pro the what? The Ace Pro 2's job. Yeah, the wife's got an intercom. We'll be able to chat away, you know. Oh, I need a piss. Oh, look, a deer, a cow. So that'll be good. I'm not, you know, most of the trips on. Cannot speak this morning. Most of the trips I've been on have just been me normally, and you know, end up chatting to yourself to keep yourself awake. But yeah, that'll be good. So yeah, I've just been getting the bike ready as well for Scotland. Done the brake pads. Might need tyres. Probably will need at least a front tyre before we go, but a couple of weeks left. A couple of weeks left yet. Yeah, good bit of kit in it. Look at that. It's big. I can't get over how big the camera is. Obviously the mic adapter adds a little bit onto the edge of that, and then you've got a mic sticking out the side. You can get Bluetooth mics, I'm sure you know, but I don't have one. I'm just using a cheapo lavalier mic. Alright, mate. On your Sinus terrain, by the looks of it. I always think those Sinus terrains are a GS. Obviously, once you get close to it, it's nowhere near the size of a GS, but it's got proper lines of a GS 1200, 1250. Not the 1300. Doesn't look anything like that. But got the sat nav. That'll be probably not so helpful. Won't be looking at that much, but it's there if in an emergency. These are great, by the way. They might look stupid, but these muffs, spot on. They're right. If you've got handguards, they go right behind your handguards. They don't look, well, I don't think they look too stupid for muffs. You can get some really dorky looking ones. Who's gonna cut me up here? Probably that person. Just gonna work my way in here. That'd be lovely, thank you. Yeah, I don't think when you've got the mic adapter attached, I don't think you can really risk being out in the rain using it, because it's not, I don't think they market it as waterproof. So obviously that's not going to help me in Scotland, is it? But we'll see. I might get lucky. It might be showerproof, but I don't want to I don't want to risk it, you know, you don't want to break your kit, do you? Some people see the Rosas and just fucking slow down. They're on the other side of the road. Yeah, I genuinely don't know what to expect from this footage. It might be crap, it might be good. The commentary is definitely not brilliant. If you think that I've rehearsed this video, it's probably a dead giveaway that I haven't. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been on a proper trip, so it'll be really good. Good for the good for body and well, probably not good for body. Good for mind. There it is, the big city. We love it. Do we? I don't know. Mixed feelings. I mean, I like coming in on the bike. I don't like what it does to the bike, especially over winter. But yeah, you know, certainly beats coming in the car. To be honest, this video's probably made a fool out of me. It is half term, to be honest, but it is normally absolutely rammed, as you'd expect. We'll get to the heavy traffic in a minute, I think. Get a filtering compilation on or something. Everyone loves a filtering compilation, don't they? I do anyway. I knew you were going to do that and then didn't bother, so alright. Here we go into the deep blue. Dude, whether you were just avoiding a pothole or not, you never know down here. It's full of potholes, full of people not looking. Like, did they move out the way from me, or was it for their own car? I wouldn't blame them. And then you get pedestrians just flying out at these crossings because the traffic's apparently not moving. I'm going to use you as a shelter. Thank you. I'll only be showing the good driving on these videos, by the way. Any of my appalling driving doesn't get shown because I am a really good rider, not driver, rider, whatever. So then everyone can go away and go, oh, doesn't he ride well? No, most of the time he's a fucking lunatic. I stopped over the crossing anyway, like an idiot. Still hasn't moved. Ah, beautiful. Nice one. You're alright. Cheers. Oh, that lorry has scuppered me. I get through here, I think. Nice and gentle. And then through here, maybe? Be careful, mind. No, lovely. Magic. The Manchester Ballet. To be fair, these lorries are going to leave me behind on this ring road, I know it. Because they won't be doing 30. Because nobody does. Like that. I like this bit of the trip into Manchester. You've got a lovely view over the top. You've got the trains coming into Piccadilly there. Look at that. For a view, I mean, the rest of it's shit, but bit of waste ground. Yeah, it's lovely that, Andy. I just see beauty in things that other people might not, that's all. I love it. You got the trains coming in there and stuff, and the skyline, and it's nice for a city. Oh, digging myself a hole now, aren't I? So yeah, that's what's going on. Not that anyone asked or cares or whatever, but if you're going on a trip yourself this year, it'd be good to compare notes. I don't know, just if you're going on a trip, have a good one. And I was happy to take you on a mini trip into Manchester. I hope you enjoyed the views of the waste ground that I so clearly love. And we'll see what the Insta Ace Pro combined with the X3 deliver, especially in Scotland. I promise I'll put something up. I just don't know when, but yeah. Catch you when I'm back, I guess.